I'm going to click on File and then Open. There is the file. Let's click and quickly Photoshop opens it for us. It's Joseph Stalin. We are going to use black and white and layer masking methods. So let's start. I am going to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then I'm going to click on Image and then Adjustments. Simply click on black and white. You don't need to change any settings just because it appears weird. Note that I clicked on Background Layer. After this, we can now click on Duplicated Layer and click on Layer Mask icon. I am going to hit Ctrl. This will shift the default colors that are black and white. We can now see our image has become desaturated. I am going to take the Quick Selection tool and select everything except his face. Now take the Brush tool. The shortcut key is B for it. Just increase the size by clicking right square bracket on your keyboard. Now paint freely. The selection really helped us. We don't have to worry about the rough painting. Save the project. If you hit Ctrl I, it is going to black and white the painted area, and the black and white area will be painted. That's it. It's enough for today. I will again meet you in a short tutorial soon. Thanks for watching.